welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix ERR connection refuse Chrome. For that, the first thing that you can try and do is switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data and also toggle airplane mode on and off on your device. If that does not work, then what you can try and do is head over to your recent apps, force close all apps including Google Chrome and reopen it on your device. If that does not work, simply head over to your quick settings, head over to settings on your device, scroll down, tap on apps, tap on see all apps, head over to the search bar and then search for Chrome inside the search bar, scroll down, hit storage and cache, clear the cache for Chrome and try again. If that too does not work, try opening your web page through a different browser. If it still continues over there, head over to your quick settings, head over to settings on your device, scroll down, head over to system. Once you're here, what you can do is head over to reset options and then tap on reset mobile network settings, select your SIM that has data, hit reset settings, tap on reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, hit reset to reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network and try again. If the issue still persists, then it is likely a server issue and you may have to contact your service provider, or it may be solved by the server itself. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.